Guys, please identify yourselves. From which publication, which channel, etc.
Alia Ankur here from Mumbai, from 9XM, former Mumbai.
Hi.
How are you doing? You look fabulous.
You think so?
Yes,
Right
I
now?
do, and
Thank you.
I would want to know how important it is for an actress to have, the quintessential hot bod to get better roles.
Oh, to get better roles.
Get just acting offers because it's so driven by the way you look.
See, I feel nowadays there are characters, and we are actually trying to fit into a character of. So, for example, for just looking at my roles only, for Urta Punjab, I had to lose a lot of weight because I was playing a particular character. For Shandar, I had to fit into a bikini and look desirable as a woman because I'm a girl, or as a lady, I would say so, not woman, but. I don't really feel like you have to look, I feel it becomes boring to look a particular way the whole time. You have to change it up. That's why I feel it's important to create your own look when it comes to a character. You also have to be fortunate enough to get the different characters that you're playing. But people get bored seeing you the same way. Right. Which is what I was saying earlier as well, that even, for example, Katrina, you see all her songs, whether it's Chikni, Sheila or Dhoom, she looks different in each song. She's still hot and she's still fit, but she's still different. So I'll give, so I think that is something that I hope to achieve in life if I get the opportunity, yes.
But you've been doing really well, and we just heard of a film with Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
How thrilled are you?
Okay, let's keep the questions to fitness. We can ask you
We'll talk tomorrow. BBM me.
Okay, now anybody else?
WhatsApp me.
Okay, next.
Katrina,
can you identify yourself, please?
Shikha from Bollywood नजर. कटरीना, आलिया और सोफिया तीनों से जानना चाहेंगे कि आपका फिटनेस मंत्र क्या है और डाइट प्लान क्या होता है?
I think it's just dependent upon what you want to achieve. So for, like Alia was saying, for every role or for whatever your desired result is, I think Yasmin has always adapted it for me. So whether if you want to look a little more toned, or you want to look more athletic, or you want to look very thin for a role, or you just want to look like a normal, very it's kind of soft, like a woman. You don't want to have too much definition. I think accordingly, Yasmin has always changed that plan, whether it's Pilates or functional training, and kind of, just slightly altered the way we eat, but pretty much trying to follow a sensible way of eating and just do the things we all know that are good for us.
Katrina, hi, Kat.
Wait, sorry, she's still asking. Ask one question.
Let her finish, please, guys.
Yeah, Alia, what's your?
मेरा मंत्र बस एक ही है कि यास्मिन को फॉलो करो और खाना ठीक से खाओ. पर most important is you have to feed yourself, you have to give yourself the right nutrition, right rest. And what Yasmin always says, you have to feel internally happy. अभी जैसे मैं खुश हूँ यहाँ पे because I'm happy with the way it's going. ऐसे छड़े रहूँगी then what's the point of working out every day when you're going to look like, death. So you have to feel internally happy and positive, and that's, I think, what you can get at Body Image and its cult and shape.
Sophie?
मेरा मंत्र बहुत ही सिंपल है. मेरा ये मानना है कि फिटनेस इज़ अ लाइफस्टाइल, इट्स नॉट अ फैड. तो उसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि सिर्फ आप महीने में 3-4 दिन वर्कआउट करो और फिर गायब हो जाओ और फिर वापस आके वर्कआउट करो. एंड आई थिंक अगर हम ऐसे करेंगे तो हमें बहुत सारी मार पड़ेगी यास्मिन से, तो वैसे ही हम उनसे डरते हैं. आई थिंक यू जस्ट हैव टू हैव अ स्टेडी लाइफस्टाइल, यू वर्क आउट रेगुलरली, ईट वेल, और जैसे कटरीना और आलिया ने कहा, अगर आपका कोई ऐसा सॉन्ग है या रोल है, then at that time you have to alter it a little bit. But I really believe if you're consistently fit, you'll never have to starve or do a crazy crash diet or work out like a mad person. It'll just be upping the level maybe 20-30%, but not going insane. And I think that's what Yasmin has taught us all.
Okay, now we're going to open it up to one last question.
Hi, Yasmin.
Who's that?
Yasmin here.
Can you identify yourself, please?
आपसे जानना चाहूँगी.
Can you identify yourself, please?
Usha from Big FM. आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि इन तीनों में से कौन ऐसा है जो सबसे इजी है और आपको ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टी नहीं होती?
इन तीनों से सबसे इजी मैं हूँ. डिफ़िकल्ट ये तीन हैं, मगर जब ये जिम आते हैं और जब अपना एक्सरसाइज रूटीन शुरू करते हैं तो मुझे कोई डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं होती, क्योंकि ये वही करते हैं जो इनको करना है, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि जो भी वो कर रहे हैं वो उनकी खुद की बॉडी और मेंटल पीस के लिए है, एंड दे गोइंग टू फील गुड टू लुक गुड.
तीनों की एक क्वालिटीज़ आप बता दें. इजी मतलब इजी हो सारी चीजें।
कटरीना की डिफ़िकल्टी है कि वो मुझे संडे को जिम बुलाती है वर्कआउट करने के लिए। अगर मैं 4 घंटे सोई हूँ, 5 घंटे सोई हूँ, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है। वो मेरा कटरीना मेरी प्रायोरिटी है। तो कभी कभी तो वो डंबल मेरे सिर पे मैं मारने वाली होती हूँ, क्योंकि बट आई एम देयर फॉर हर ऑलवेज। आलिया इज़ माई न्यूबी। आलिया की डिफ़िकल्टी है कि वो जिम छोड़ना ही नहीं चाहती। उसका बस चले तो वो जिम में ही रह जाए, क्योंकि उसको इतना मज़ा आता है। सोफ़ी, चाहे उसका हिप थोड़ा मिसअलाइंड हो या नी में प्रॉब्लम हो या स्पाइन में कुछ गड़बड़ चल रही है,
टूटा-फूटा पुर्जा।
उसका वर्कआउट टफ होना चाहिए। और वर्कआउट के समय किसी से बात मैं नहीं कर सकती, क्योंकि वो मेरी पुलिस है। हम लोग उसको जिम पुलिस बुलाते हैं, क्योंकि मैं किसी से बात नहीं कर सकती। अगर कटरीना भी जिम में आए, मैं उसको स्माइल नहीं दे सकती, क्योंकि मुझे डर है कि वर्कआउट के बाद सोफ़ी बोलेगी आई डिडंट फील माय वर्कआउट टुडे, यू वर स्माइलिंग एट कटरीना।
यास्मीन, हाय यास्मीन, हाय ज्योति फ्रॉम E24 न्यूज़ 24। मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि दीपिका करती हैं, कटरीना और आलिया, सभी आपके पास फेमस आर्टिस्ट, सभी को आप वर्कआउट कराती, सबसे फिटेस्ट बॉडी किसकी आपके हिसाब से है?
मेरे सब क्लाइंट्स फिट है। देखिए, आपको क्या लगता है इन तीनों में से? मैं आपको पूछती हूँ, आपको कौन सबसे फिट
नहीं, आपके हिसाब से, क्योंकि आप
क्यों मेरे हिसाब से? मैं तो इनको ट्रेन।
I think fitness and the way someone looks physically, the aesthetic of the way someone looks is actually a matter of opinion. So, you know, like for some people, they may have, they may really find it appealing, a certain type of a body shape, or some women like to look very lean and thin. Some women like to look more toned. Some women are okay with however they look. So I think that's a matter of opinion. I just got you out of a tricky spot. I hope you know.
Okay, guys, thank you very much. One last photograph
I love
and they're
you,
about to leave.
Katrina Kaif.
I love you too.
Yeah. Thank you all for coming. Thank you all for coming. Thank you, Sophie. Thank you, Alia. And thank you, Katrina. Congratulations, Zina and Yasmin.
Can I just have my 2 boys on stage, please? Zahan, Aman.
Zahan, can we have you on stage? Zahan and Aman.
My
Minhaj,
2
where
sons
are
on
you?
stage, please.
Guys, come on.
He's not my son.
Okay, so these
And what
are
about-
Yasmin's sons, Zahan and Aman.
Zahan, Aman, would you like to pose? Can you please pose for a picture with all the girls?
In the middle, in the middle. Minhaj, should we have you on stage as well? Minhaj, can we have you on stage as well? Minhaj, can we have you on stage? In the center. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Seth.
Okay, guys, thank you very much. Okay, now we're going to do one solo picture of each, and then so that everybody can get it, okay? Just quickly finish one. Can we just have Katrina to finish hers first? एक मिनट भैया सब आ रहे हैं, एक सेकेंड. Okay, first. Okay, Alia, look left. Alia, okay, right. Guys, एक second. Center. Okay, Katrina. Okay, Katrina next. Katrina center. Katrina. Left. And right. Thank you. Sophie next. left, center, right. Sophie next. Okay, Sophie. Sophie, center. Center. Left. Left, center. Center. And then right. Okay? Left. Sophie without book. Without the book. Without the book. Left. Zina. Okay, so a picture of Zina and Sophie. Zina, go. Zina. No, three of yours. One second, Sophie. Zina, you and. Yes, yours. I also want. Okay, now I also want one. Okay, I also want one with y'all. Come on. The new MC in place.
You are fab.
You're fab.